Hello, video maniacs of all shapes, sizes, and colors. This is Practice Dummy. In this video, this is going to be for those that have NVidia cards and have the NVidia control panel. And what's happening, or has happened for me, is when you right-click and select the NVidia control panel, and the NVidia control panel does not show up. Well, this fix may help out with the issue. Okay, what you need to do first is hold down Control, Alt, and Delete, and then select the Task Manager. And then you want to scroll down until you find what's called NVIDIA Container, and you want to end the task on all the entries that say NVIDIA Container. And some of them may pop back up, but go ahead and do it until they're all gone. And then afterwards, you should be able to bring up the NVIDIA control panel now, like so. Okay, this is just a short little tidbit, but it was something I ran across and kind of accidentally discovered the solution on, but I hope it will help you out as well. Take care, one and all, and God bless you.